Hi everyone, and welcome to a really quick unboxing video. I've just received this item, so I really want to share it with you. It is a vintage item. It's from 1984. It's Louis Vuitton and it is a Keepall. I've been looking for a Keepall for a really long time because I go away for a weekend quite a lot, staying at parents and stuff like that. So I needed something to take with me that isn't a suitcase. So this is really great for me, and I'll show you it now. So here it is. As I said, it's a 55 and it is in the Bandoulière version, but it doesn't come with a strap, so I do need to find a strap for it. It doesn't come with a luggage tag and it didn't come with a dust bag either, so I will be looking out for those. I'll just show you a bit of the bag. So here's the front. Now the zip is really good, so I'm thinking that it may have been replaced at some point, because if you compare it to the other hardware, it is a lot brighter, as you can see. But I'm going to get some brass on. I'm going to try and clean up the other bits of hardware as well. Just show you the side, the bottom. The vachetta is in quite good condition for its age. There's a little bit of staining, but it just looks vintage, so I'm really happy with that. Show you inside. Again, really good condition, no marks or anything like that. The only thing I'm a bit worried about is the smell. It's quite a feisty sort of old smell, so I'm going to try and get something to get rid of that, to spray in there, and just, I don't want all my clothes smelling like that. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm also, again, going to keep a lookout for a strap, Bandoulière strap. I think I would like a Louis Vuitton one, but they are really hard to get, so I might just get any from like Etsy or eBay or something like that. Just something that goes with it nicely. If not, I'll just leave it for now. It doesn't seem too heavy, but I know when I put stuff in, it really will be. I might also look out for a luggage tag to put on here. I'd love to get one monogrammed with my initials. And that's about it really. Just a really quick unboxing, so I'm really happy with this. I can't wait to start using it. But as I said, I'm going to clean it up a bit first. I'm going to use some of my Handbag Clinic products on it as well, just to clean it up a bit and give it a sort of fresh smell and fresh look and everything. So how I got this, I'm a member of some Facebook groups. I'll leave a link down below to a blog post detailing how I get my items pre-loved. But this is from one of the Facebook groups. I got this for £320, which I think is a really good price. I saw a lot of them going for £400 or £500, which looked like they were in worse condition than this. Some of the vachetta had cracking, it was really dry, and yeah, they had marks inside. I just think this, for the price, this one was the best condition I could get, and I didn't want to spend much more than what I did. 300 was kind of my ballpark figure, but I was happy to go 320. So all I need to do really is get a strap, and it'll be great, and I think it'll clean up really well as well. So really happy with that price. Again, I'll leave the blog post link down below about how I go around finding pre-loved items. But yeah, very happy with that price. So that's it. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing video. Keep a lookout on my channel. I think I'll do a video on how I clean it up and sort of restore it and everything. But other than that, you can find me on Instagram at looksandlifeuk, and I have a blog as well, which is looksandlife.co.uk. So I'll see you over there as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.